Hello viewers. Human Tools is the manufacturer and exporter of surgical and dental instruments. Our today's episode is about orthodontic instruments, its kinds, specifications and uses. So, let's start our today's episode. For orthodontists, it is essential to know the instruments which are commonly used. It will increase the working knowledge of the orthodontist and also prevent the misuse of more delicate treatments. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Orthodontics is a study of the diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of irregularities of the teeth and jaws. For example, overbite of teeth, underbite of teeth, and anterior crossbite of teeth, and many other such issues. Orthodontists treat these issues with the help of orthodontic instruments by applying certain types of treatments. Our first instrument is Wingard Universal Plier. The Wingard Universal Plier is used to guide and move the arc wire in and out of the placement and bending the arc wire ends. The bend in the beak facilitates easy grasping of arc wire and guiding into buccal tubes. It has accurately closing serrated tips. It is capable of bending hard wires up to diameter of 0.5 mm. It is available in simple tip and it is also available in TC tip, tungsten carbide tip. And if we talk about the length is available in about 130 mm to 145 mm. Our second instrument is Young Loop Bending Plier. It is a universal plier for different size loops, ideal for making consistent, uniform loops of round and square wire. The tip has three sections of 0.045 inches, 0.065 inches, and 0.09 inches with matte finish to prevent wire slippage. It is used for hard wires up to 0.7 mm. The next instrument is Bird Beak Plier, an extremely popular and versatile utility plier designed for working round wire up to 0.76 mm in diameter. The round peak is precision ground to perfect cone, 0.64 mm in diameter. Beaks are parallel at 0.51 mm opening. Working edges are carefully beveled and diamond honed to prevent scoring. 3-jaw pliers. The 3-jaw plier has 3 precision aligned tips which ensure consistent bends in lingual bars and wires without damaging. It is capable of bending wire up to 0.91 mm diameter. Standard light wire plier. It has longer, more gradually tapered beaks than bird beak plier. Longer beaks make it easier to bend small diameter loops. The working edges are carefully beveled to prevent wire scoring. It comes with and without serrations on its flat beak. It can be used for arc form and spring preparation. It is used for hard wire up to 0.5 mm in diameter. Weed style forming arc plier. It is ideal for bending square and rectangular wire up to 0.7 mm. Edges are radiused and hardened to prevent wire scoring and to preserve and smooth contact area with the wire. The blades are parallel when open to 0.01 inches to ensure accurate 90-degree bends. The next one is versatile utility plier with long serrated tips. The 2 mm diameter tips are serrated to prevent slippage. The tips are round for patient comfort and safety. It is used for pinching of bands during band preparation. It has 2 types, curved and straight. Curved plier is used for lower band preparations and straight plier is used for upper band preparations. Bracket removing plier. It is designed for fast, safe and comfortable removal of direct bond brackets. The angle tip allows for easy access to difficult anterior and posterior areas. It is also available in straight direction. Posterior band removing plier. It is used to remove posterior metal bands with maximum patient comfort. The tip is posted in the middle of the pad for easy removal of bands. A plastic padded tip and removing beak with a slight pressure allow easy band removal. Plastic head rests on the occlusal surface of tooth and tip below the gingival edge of the band. The pressure at handle causes the band to lift off the tooth. Thank you for watching our episode. In our next episode, I will come with more orthodontic instruments. Please like and subscribe our channel for our encouragement and for more informative videos. Take care. Bye bye.